Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to turn on shaders in TLauncher. Firstly, download the shader pack you want, for example Wintercraft shader. Now open Minecraft and click play. Create new, then choose create a new world. On the left side, select resource packs. Click the My Packs tab. Then find the shader pack you imported and then click on Activate. The shader should now show under Active. You can customize any settings you want, then click Create. Your new world will now launch with the shader effect active. Enjoy the enhanced visuals. Some shaders are more demanding. If Minecraft lags, try a lighter shader pack. You can also reuse the same shader pack in other worlds without re-downloading it. Always use shaders from reputable sources to avoid malware. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.